First of all, wishing you all a very happy Diwali, belated happy Diwali and New Year. I really hope all of you have enjoyed your Diwali time and spent it in the best way possible with your friends, families, and people you love. Because of that, this video is a little bit delayed. Diwali break था, अब खत्म हो चुका है, and now we are back with the videos. We have all heard the story of the hare and the tortoise. Who wins the race in that? The tortoise, right? And for that, we always say slow and steady wins the race, which means किसी भी चीज के लिए घाई मत करो, जल्दी मत करो, right? But did we ever think, I'm sure many of you might have, that why did the hare lose? Hello and welcome back to my channel Thoughtfully Random. During the school days, whenever we used to have open house, those who are new to the concept of open house, वो क्या होता है? Paper showing day. I mean, जब भी स्कूल में एग्जाम पेपर्स पेरेंट्स को दिखाने होते हैं, सो जिस भी दिन पेरेंट्स को बुला के उनके बच्चों के एग्जाम पेपर्स दिखाते हैं, that day is called an open house day, right? So whenever we used to have an open house day in my school, my parents used to come and they were obviously shown my papers. I was an average student, I would say, not very brilliant, not a dumb one, right? And I still remember that every time that my parents used to go through the paper, my father always used to tell me or ask me to focus on the areas where I lose marks. Like, they were not somebody who were very strict या बहुत डांट दिया कि कब मार्क्स क्यों आए, ये क्यों आया, ये नहीं आता, वो नहीं आता, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करते थे. They were quite relaxed. But yes, even if I wanted to showcase कि देखो मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स है, वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा है, this I scored, this I did, but my father always highlighted कि marks cut कहाँ पे हुए, find that out, because that is something you are not yet very thorough with. So that is an area where you have to improve, and we should always focus on the area which we need to improve. जो already आता है, जिधर already marks मिल चुके हैं, उस पे ज़्यादा focus करके फिर कोई फ़ायदा है नहीं. So the same thing जो मैंने आपको पहले story का reference दिया था about the hare and tortoise, instead of seeing that the tortoise won, ठीक है, great, we got a lesson, slow and steady wins the race, but we should also see the other aspect, that why did the hare lose? वो क्यों हारा? Is it that it was not capable enough? No, वो तो बहुत speed में भागता है and was easily deserving or capable enough to win the race. Still हारा? Why? Because of a simple reason: overconfidence and lack of consistency. If वो continuously भागता रहता, like, right, then I'm sure, and all of us are sure, that वही जीतता no matter what. तब slow and steady वाला आता ही नहीं concept, right? But एक तो overconfidence की, yes, I'm already much ahead or in the race from my competitors and others, so definitely I don't need to worry about anything, let me rest. This mindset. And the second thing is, due to this mindset, he broke the consistency, right? जो एक continuous effort था, continuous speed थी, उसमें बीच में gap आ गया because of overconfidence. And the biggest key to succeed is consistency. You see any big business empires, कोई भी stream में हो, be it technical stream में हो, be it Ambani's, be it anybody, you always see that they are not an overnight success. 10 साल, 15 साल, 20 साल, 25 साल, constantly they are taking one after the other steps. बीच में problems आते हैं, they find the solution and still keep on moving ahead in the same direction. Same example we can see in our families also, that we see our parents, whatever job, business, work they are doing, over years they have been doing that consistently, daily, जाते हैं आते हैं, they keep doing little progress, and whatever more or less, whatever they are able to build, they are building it over a period of years. So it's very important to be consistent, no matter how talented, how capable, how deserving you are. But if you are not consistent, you are definitely not reaching to the end, and you are definitely not winning it. And the one who might not be as capable, who might not be as deserving, or who might not be as talented also, for that matter, might win the race at the end, because the person or the effort is consistent, right? And that's the same thing that we learn from this particular story, that consistency is important. वो जीत गया, slow and steady wins the race, उस पे कहानियां बनी, उस पे motivation बना, सब बना. But did we see the other side? Let's see the other side of why did the other one not win? Because of overconfidence and lack of consistency. So if you're doing something, overnight success जैसी कोई चीज नहीं होती है दुनिया में, and don't even aim for that, because it's a short-term goal, short-term thing. Be consistent, daily put in some effort, and then just see miracles happening over a period of time. When you look back, you will realize that wow, you've come far away from where you started off with. So this is a short video. Hope you liked this approach. I'm sure बहुत लोगों ने ये सोचा ही होगा. नहीं सोचा है, then most welcome to this video. And yes, if you have any other such stories, और इसी story पे कोई और thought अगर आपको आता है, कोई अलग approach है, from where you have got any learnings or any lessons or any experiences, any observations that you have, do share in the comment section. Do write me an email and share it. If it is something really interesting, I'll definitely include it in my video. Till then, if you have enjoyed listening to this one, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.